वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग जी पीपल। सो आज हम अपने नई ड्वेलिंग में हैं। You stay tuned and have a very good day. We'll meet you soon. This is our new kitchen from today. I'll meet you here with new, easy and healthy recipes. So stay tuned with me here. Today we are preparing aloo parathe. It's a bit heavy. Potato parathas. I'll jot down the recipe of aloo paratha in my description. You can read it from there if you want to read my style of aloo parathas. This is the gazebo of the society. So I'll also meet you people here. And this is the guard duck. Oops, my flash is on. Guys, we're planning to buy this car. Tell me, how is it? This is a nice thing. This was our first day over here. Hope you are watching my videos. I would like to say only one thing, that please do like my videos, share my videos, comment in my videos and subscribe to my channel. We will meet tomorrow. Oh, it flew away. I didn't want it to do that, but it just happened. Come. बस Namaste and a very good morning, people. Hello, good morning, duckies. Yeah, quack quack. So guys, this is the morning view of this place. Instead of Sindhupur. It looks like
a thoughtfully made society. In my view, whatever you do, you should do it thoughtfully, with all your heart and soul. So I will post the videos whenever I find Wi-Fi network app. Look at him. In 2 or 3 days, we will get the network here. You stay tuned with me to witness the beauties. So people, we are at home. Now we will do some cleaning and all, and then start with our work. We bought one more plant. It's of coriander, and I found these buckets. As you have seen, my mint plant is already in this bucket. I found these beautiful, and these were at reasonable rates in Walmart for around $1.24. I thought, why not use it for planting? Right now I'll keep it like this only. We have 2 baby plants now. There's this one, it's really happy, and the another one is this coriander. I'll plant it later. Now they are together. They will bloom faster now. Together they will grow more beautiful.